In this video, I'll guide you through how to write a review on Amazon. Writing a review is a great way to share your opinion on a product and help other potential buyers make informed decisions. Whether you loved a product or found it lacking, your feedback can be incredibly useful. So let's get started on how you can leave a review on Amazon in just a few simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged in, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see your personalized homepage. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see a tab labeled Returns and Orders. Click on this tab. It's your gateway to accessing all your past purchases, and from here, you can navigate to the specific order for which you want to leave a review. This page is organized with your most recent orders at the top, making it easy to locate the item you want to review. Now, find the order that contains the product you'd like to review. Once you've located it, click on the Orders button. This will expand your view of that particular orders, giving you more details about your purchase. Once you've expanded the order details, look for the button that says Write a Product Review. It's usually located next to the product image or under the product details. Clicking this will take you to the review submission page. On the review page, you'll be able to rate the product using a star system, with 1 star being the lowest and 5 stars the highest. Think about your experience with the product and rate it accordingly. After selecting the stars, you'll have the opportunity to provide a written review. Here's your chance to share what you liked or disliked about the product. Be honest and specific to give future buyers the best insight into your experience. Below the review text box, you might also find some optional fields, such as uploading photos or videos related to the product. Visuals can be a great way to support your written feedback, showing exactly what you're describing. Once your review is complete, take a moment to double check it for any typos or errors. A clear and concise review is always more helpful. When you're satisfied, look for the Submit button, usually located at the bottom of the page, and click it. Your review will be submitted for approval and should appear on the product page shortly after Amazon's review process. And there you have it. You've successfully written a review on Amazon. Your feedback not only helps other shoppers, but also supports sellers in improving their products. Thanks for tuning in and happy reviewing.